Ditch My Style. I'm Helen and this is the Advent series for 2020. These videos will include something that I have made, a little Christmas joke, you're welcome, and a Christmas sewing hack in the form of an Advent calendar. So welcome if you haven't been here before. Lovely to see you, and please do subscribe if you'd like to see the rest of the series and be alerted to the 1st of December, first day of Advent. Have you opened your calendars yet? Is this your calendar? Oh my god, it'd be so amazing if this was your calendar. Okay, hi, 1st of December, woo! So things I've made, I am going to show you I'm sitting on a bench which is really creaky. I'm hoping to sort out the seating situation as we go through the month. I apologise if you can hear creakiness. But otherwise I would be sitting on the floor and it's not fun. So today I'm wearing this, which is my Vanessa Pouzet wanted top. There is a video of me making this top and putting it together because the instructions are in French. She being a lady of the French persuasion. It's a gorgeous pattern, the neckline's amazing, and in that video I talk about how to pattern match stripes accurately. I will put a card on the screen now, so if you want to go and have a look at that video you can. The fabric is a beige and white stripe from, I believe, Fabrics Galore. So that is the make for the day. Christmas joke. Yeah, we're going to do these every day. What do you get if you eat too many Christmas decorations? Tinselitis. You're welcome. This is what you get to expect from this series. It's high quality stuff. All right, so 1st of December, we've had the joke, we've had the make. Let's get into the Advent calendar itself. So here we are with Christmas sewing hack number 1 for day 1 of the Advent calendar. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Day 1's hack relates to the humble tape measure. All of you have probably got one of these. If you haven't, pop it on your Christmas list. This is a standard tape measure you can get from any haberdashery store. The hack is that a standard tape measure happens to very conveniently measure 1.5 centimetres wide, or 5/8 of an inch, which happens to be exactly the seam allowance on most commercial dressmaking patterns that you can buy. Which means if you ever need to figure out where the seam allowance finishes on a garment quickly, you can just lie your tape measure down against it. Easy.